So, take number 20-ish. Tried this a few times, don't like it, don't know why people like being in front of the camera. I don't enjoy it, but here we go. Here's a shop update. Obviously, most of you have noticed that I've been absent from the YouTube channel, YouTube world for the last few months, and the reason was simply because I was moving and I was setting up the shop. And you can see in the background there's still a bit more to go, still a bit more to do, and here we have our latest addition to the workshop, sponsored proudly by my patrons. Thank you very much. Much appreciated, a bandsaw, and I hope this will greatly improve some of the projects that I've planned. It should also help me speed up production. And here's a tool wall, which is also just temporary because I'm planning to do a French cleat. Over here we've got stock and materials, the second workbench, which can't be used at the moment, dust collection, main workbench, which was my old kitchen countertop thing, lights, and the sticker wall. Got a few new ones. If you have some that you want to send me, get in touch and I'll give you my address. And there's one more. Al, thank you very much. I got this a few months ago already. Only gonna put it up now. Oh, shush. Focus. So I hope to be back making stuff very soon. I have a few ideas in my head of what I want to do. There's a few promises I made. Marcus, I haven't forgotten about you, but I have to start anew because I lost the prototype of the old project, but that is right on top of the to-do list. So I'll speak to you soon. Maybe not in front of the camera. Right, have a great time. Bye bye.